Welcome to the SATCO CounterQuick installation video. If you are not comfortable with this installation, please contact a qualified electrician. In the box, you'll find the fixture, 3/8" wire connector, and end-to-end connector. Junction boxes, plug cords, and link connectors are also available separately. For this installation, we're going to wire using a plastic external junction box. First, unscrew the cover of the junction box. Use a screwdriver to remove the knockout and install the 3/8" connector. Next, pull your supply wire into the junction box through the connector. Strip all wires and connect to the appropriate connectors: black to line hot, white to neutral, green to ground. Lastly, tighten the 3/8" connector and replace the junction box cover. To connect the junction box to the fixture, remove the end cap from the input side of the fixture. Plug a link cable into the input side of the fixture and connect to the junction box. Here you can see the connection in an actual application. For this installation, we're going to wire directly into the fixture. First, use a screwdriver to remove the knockout. Then open the wiring compartment. Install the 3/8" connector and pull the supply wires into the fixture. Strip all wires and connect to the appropriate connectors: black to line hot, white to neutral, green to ground. Lastly, close the wiring compartment and tighten the 3/8" connector. Here, we're going to show you how to mount the fixture using standard keyholes. Open the wiring compartment and place the fixture in the desired location. Mark the location of both keyholes. Install screws in the marked locations. Place the fixture on the keyholes and slide to lock in place. Tighten screws if necessary. Here we're going to show you how to mount the fixture using integrated mounting screws. Remove the mounting screw covers. Place the fixture in the desired location. Lastly, fasten the integrated screws into the cabinet. You can also power this fixture using a plug cord. Simply plug the end of the plug cord into the input side of the fixture and then into a standard outlet. These fixtures can be connected together for easier installation. Remove the end caps on the ends of each fixture. Use the provided end-to-end connector to link the output side of one fixture to the input side of the next. Here you can see the connection in an actual application. You can also use link cables depending on your application. Once connected, use whichever mounting technique is best for your application. For very long lengths, you can use extension cables to connect multiple link cables. Thanks for watching the SATCO CounterQuick installation video. Visit satco.com for more information.